In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BlueStacks Error 2002. This error code usually means that BlueStacks has failed to install an app or game. There are several reasons this can happen, such as corrupted installation files, antivirus interference, incompatible Android instances, or insufficient system resources. Understanding these factors can help you troubleshoot effectively. Now, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to resolve this issue. First, restart BlueStacks and your PC. Begin by closing BlueStacks completely. You can do this by clicking on the Close button in the top right corner of the application. After closing BlueStacks, it is essential to restart your computer. This action refreshes system resources and clears any temporary glitches that might be affecting BlueStacks. Once your PC has rebooted, launch BlueStacks again. Now try to install the app or game that was giving you trouble. This step is crucial because many issues can be resolved simply by refreshing the software environment. Next, install the app from the Google Play Store. This method is recommended because it helps avoid problems caused by corrupted or incompatible APK files. Open BlueStacks 5 on your computer, navigate to System Apps, and then click on Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of the app or game you want to install. After finding the correct app, click on the Install button. By using the Play Store, you ensure that you are getting the most compatible version of the app, which can significantly reduce the chances of encountering further errors. Now check that the app isn't already installed on your system. The error -2002 can occur if you attempt to install an app that is already present. Take a moment to search for the app on the BlueStacks home screen. If you find that it is already installed, instead of attempting to install it again, simply open it. If you need to, you can uninstall the existing copy and then reinstall it fresh. This step is important because it guarantees that you are working with a clean version of the app, eliminating any conflicts with previously installed versions. Next, create a compatible Android instance. Some apps require a newer Android version to function correctly. Open the Multi-Instance Manager, which allows you to manage different Android environments. Click on Instance and then select Fresh Instance. You will need to choose an Android version that meets the app's requirements, such as Nougat 64-bit, Pi 64-bit, or Android 11. Once you have made your selection, start the new instance and try installing the app again. This step is significant because a compatible Android version can be the key to resolving installation issues. Now it's time to update BlueStacks. Keeping your software up to date is vital for optimal performance. Open BlueStacks and navigate to Settings, then go to About. Here you will find an option labeled Check for Updates. Click on it to see if any updates are available. If there are updates, make sure to install them and restart BlueStacks afterward. This process ensures that you are running the latest version, which can fix bugs and improve stability. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can interfere with BlueStacks while it is trying to install apps. To do this, locate your antivirus software icon in the system tray and right-click it to find the option to disable it. After doing so, try installing the app again. If it installs successfully, remember to add BlueStacks to your antivirus exclusions before re-enabling your protection. This is an important step to ensure a smooth installation process without compromising your computer's security. Finally, verify that your PC meets the necessary requirements for running BlueStacks. Check that virtualization, either Intel VTX or AMD, is enabled in your BIOS settings. Also, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Your PC should have enough available RAM and storage space to support BlueStacks. Additionally, confirm that BlueStacks has sufficient CPU cores and memory allocated in Settings under Performance. Meeting these requirements is crucial for the overall performance of BlueStacks and can prevent many common errors from occurring. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve BlueStacks Error 2002. Thank you for watching and good luck with your installation.